Napuno naman ng mga music lover at OPM artists ang Araneta Coliseum kagabi para sa ikalawang Wish 1075 Music Awards. Humakot naman ang parangal sa awards night ang tinaguriang The Next Big Diva na si Morissette. Narito ang hatong na balita ni Monokso.
Ipinagdiwang ang natatanging galing ng mga original Filipino music o OPM artists sa idinaos na Second Wish 1075 Music Award sa Smart Araneta Coliseum kagabi. Punong-puno ng mga fans ng iba't ibang OPM artists ang The Big Dome, kung saan napanood ng mga ito ang world-class performances mula sa mga performers para sa awards night. Pambungad na performance ang isang dance and song number mula sa sumisikat na all-male group The Boy Band PH. Big winner sa Second Wish 1075 Music Awards ang tinaguriang The Next Big Diva na si Morissette Amon. Nakuha nito ang Best Wish-clusive Performance by a Female Artist. Best Wish-clusive Collaboration ng awiting I Finally Found Someone kasama si Arnel Pineda. Wish Original Song of the Year by a Female Artist sa awiting Throwback featuring KZ Tandingan. Wish Female Artist of the Year, Wish Reactors Choice Award at Wish-clusive Viral Video of the Year sa awiting Secret Love Song.
I'm just really grateful po sa lahat po na nag-share po ng video ko, sa lahat na nakihugot. Maraming salamat. I would also just like to acknowledge, of course, kasi yung mga YouTube reaction videos, pinapanood ko din po sa bahay. In behalf of all the artists and all the performers, thank you so much once again, Wish, for letting us perform.
Humakot din ng parangal ang balladeer na si Jason D, kung saan naiuwi nito ang Best Wish cover ng awiting Be My Lady. Best Wish-clusive performance by a male artist sa mash-up ng Love Yourself, Sorry, What Do You Mean at Baby at Wish Male Artist of the Year.
Ibang klase magmahal ang Wish, as in syempre mahal na mahal ko rin sila, and sobrang thankful ako sa pagbigay sa akin ng platform, ng opportunity para mapakita ko yung talento ko, ma-express ko yung music ko. So, and ang laking tulong nila, laking suporta nila sa OPM. Doon ako talaga thankful.
Nakuha naman ni Darren Espanto ang Best Wish-clusive Performance by a Young Artist ng awiting I Believe. Wish Original Song of the Year by a Male Artist ng awiting 7 Minutes. At Wish Young Artist of the Year. Itinanghal naman na Wish Promising Artist si Sam Mangubat.
Thank you so much sa support nyo. Hindi ako makapaniwala hanggang kayo. Maraming salamat, Wish FM, for giving me the opportunity to sing and perform for everyone.
Panalo naman ang X Factor UK semi-finalist na Fourth Impact bilang Best Wish-clusive Performance by a Group or a Duo. Habang nakuha naman ang The Ones, ang Wish Original Song of the Year by a Group or Duo.
And dito po kami nagsimula sa Wish. Hindi namin akalain na ma-recognize kami. This is the best gift and the best way to start 2017!
Several years ago, nangangarap lang po kami. And yan, unti-unti na tinutupad ni Lord yung pangarap namin through Wish 1075.
Ngayong taon ay inilunsad din ng Wish 1075 ang Wish-clusive Elite Circle. Mga kabilang dito ang mga OPM artists na may hindi bababa sa 10 million views sa YouTube page ng Wish 1075. Naging highlight naman sa ginanap na Wish Awards ang tig-100,000 pisong natanggap ng mga napiling charitable institutions ng lahat na mananalo sa Second Wish Music Awards.
It's amazing how this is a music award show with a lot of firsts. It is giving away awards for viral videos, giving away awards for views, giving away awards to people who couldn't really make it. But the biggest award that they're giving away is whoever the winner is, those winners get to pick a beneficiary for 100,000 pesos given by Wish. So that's the best thing about this. All the winners get to give away and help another kind of community.
Nakita all over the world ang galing ng Filipino OPM artist. Doon lang, wagi na po itong Wish na to. Pangalawa, lahat ng mga kabataan na walang opportunity na makita in the mainstream, eto po, sumakay lang kayo ng bus at makikita na ang inyong galing.
Ang Wish 107.5 ang nangungunang FM YouTube channel sa bansa na mayroon lang mahigit 720,000 na subscribers at halos 300 million views and counting. Mon Hocson, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.